Copywriting is a skill that takes years to master, which is why you'll see most experienced copywriters charging $5,000 monthly retainers. After working on Copywhiz.ai for over a year and training it on the work of the best copywriters in the world, including copywriting figures who've generated billions of dollars in attributable sales, we finally launched Copywhiz.ai, the world's first AI tool that can produce world-class copy with the ease of a few single inputs. As you can see in front of you, the content our tool generates sounds nothing like usual AI. Whether you're currently using ChatGPT or a different AI tool that's likely better suited for ideation than actually being able to generate ready-to-rock content. Copywhiz flips the script by being built on the foundation of top-performing ad scripts, email copy, LinkedIn posts, outreach messages, video scripts, and more, drawing inspiration from the work of world-class copywriters across the globe. So, what can you expect when you have Copywhiz on your side? For starters, you'll have the luxury to generate elite-tier copy within seconds, which is downright impossible when you're writing yourself or have hired someone. More importantly, the copy that's generated can be used right away with minimal tweaks needed no matter what sort of content you're looking to generate, whether it's a thought-provoking LinkedIn post, an engaging article, an ad copy to drive more conversions, or a newsletter email to nurture your list. All of our users see huge jumps in their conversion rates, light years better engagement on LinkedIn, IG, and socials, and better content performance all across the board, and not to mention at a fraction of the cost of hiring a real copywriter, whether that's in-house or a freelancer from Fiverr or Upwork. So if you're ready to start seeing all of these results for your own business, while saving hours of headache brainstorming, writing and editing content yourself, or having to hop from copywriter to copywriter with no results to show for it, start using Copywhiz.ai and experience the results firsthand. Still over the fence? Here's an interesting fact. Most of our users get their subscription costs back with the very first few pieces of content they generate using our tool. We look forward to seeing you inside.